I'm going to do something, just start to get a little bit of motion into the joint. A little bit push there. Well done. Cross your arms. Just move down for me. Pressure's going to be applied through the chest. Ooh, well done. And it'll feel almost like I'm pulling back like that. Well done.